was a for Makwa, Brasso say, you didn't come out to no Ebremo. And now no pay Erika J. Waha. National Erika J. Erika J. Obian, or a deputy Bruno Regional Communication Officer, NDC. Erika Kwaba.
TK Major also.
Apombo
Nyamiadom. Downstream.
Grace Abna Sare, we are 2 years today from your father Erika Sare of UTVMCR and your mother Martha Dua Sare and your brother Emmanuel Yawa Sare. To you, Grace Abna Sare, 2 years. I hope so better the Ekano. It's your birthday today. Grace, have a lovely day. Eric.
Lawyer.
Paper Ben Wafe.
Insights.
Yes, has him free site and I has him free. My enka graphic akra. Open ball.
Manager.
Sir. Yeah, manager. And pay daily graphic work of hot battle for presidency and executive committee for no. We were candidates me in room. Me mean to be man na beto.
Sir.
Randia bene Utue Champon.
Oh, okay. So me we no.
Amount to mom.
Yes, we know, sir. Randy.
Okay.
And I Georgia free.
For presidency. All right. Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
But me I mentioned that ni Musa. Na me team. Me team there has of folk.
All right.
And I will call a drama so Chelsea. Chelsea na you keep an son no few watch na me nim. Enti I don't know Bibusa me say me team need
keep a
and I'm saying we Chelsea no.
You keep a banner.
They are not a channel.
Sir, the friend is saying.
The friend is saying. Peter check.
Peter check.
Now,
of country, bay.
How about Chelsea?
I'm saying of country, bay.
You know him.
Of country, bay.
Me dem me hwe wa me hwe o country o bona tigo busa me 3 players me ball mu nyire Nissan no bia ni team no me so me a Chelsea fan.
Okay,
but so far so good.
I see.
Na
me dey bet me abo team am support no players ni nyina Liverpool. Ababu coach. Me babu coach achira abo your team.
Me dey say pad o busa me Chelsea players too cry bed.
I see.
But me do baby no mo na ebo board there ntimi gina wo hwe.
Okay. You hear so we hu so mo she blue.
No.
Na yakasa Chelsea na egbo.
Enya me hwe. No players in the pad and you be dance man you abo.
I see. Anyway,
the man develop a taste match for Chelsea so time Asian more.
Asian no.
You see.
Okay.
May you be a baby Ghana ni be ko bia na say o sell ya. And me develop some taste for that particular.
What about say when kunya Ghana for be miansa omo EPL mu a
me team support to Barca ne team back with this Madrid.
Okay.
No mu nyina bo at the same
and now support to mu
nyina. Nti the obehye bia no
wa win it.
Ma come as simple.
On pen trouble bia. Okay, me so me ukọ Germany a me wo me team ho. Ukọ Italy a me obi ho. Ba EPL a me obi ho.
Hey, and team does.
I am a team does.
Oh yeah, how you now shares?
Me was shares. All right. So then I become home because you better do say you this uncle because of near my see. And I baby do near Mbabeto Aba. And you know then I become home briefly. Now for we are near Aba issue for the
cannot pay match UTV a phone na me fan chie mu edruma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Tiki one say no na ye kopao ye manifesto committee. Nti ye nyina ye ko ta chirima na ye fefefe. Na ye papa ka say ono ne manifesto ye de beba no. Ye say de bi mu ye omode no ye nye willing say ye be di ntrachre Ghana for de betimi aye e na omfamra. And I strongly believe say who team na ya power mo na indeed they are highly formidable. Ti empire say omode ade beba ma Ghana for agiatum na 2020 ya hweso ato aba with the issue of Ghana Football Association yenim said the akofa we nyina ba ye oyeni na e ba ye no na asat na okra ni tikem say asem no kra ye hu ne puma sibresa ana ya so very which ai papa ana scotch mampeni adam fi kwasi entachi yeah mampeni ankasa koye case okay ose ne entachi edi ntrogu no so e no de ne koma ne nuaba ai akufu ado ye wo ai CID boss tiwa ado dan kwa
nuaba
mampe say no so de ado no bi
Embassy in Niaba.
Okay. Nti Akufo-Addo ade Akufo-Addo mampani ade case command Tiwado down kwase won hwehwem. Because na damfo kwasi entachi di ndi bone. Case cry hu de akosi o. Tiwa no ntina to da.
But first of all, no cry now say report na kode.
En what say question? Say mampani si aye ne bone.
Na me said na me bisa sa question.
Say say mampani no won. Tell me mampani yes or yes smart o di tie. Ono ama ne nkofo ni di bone wi ase Eko state institution. Na wadam for question entachi kire ba bia oda hotel room ni ade obedi na oka kala no de na aka. Nipa no yochocho muncho. Oh, eti the abano de be fairness about elections no the way forward. I think say said omo come bro for football people no. Omo munim kofo mbetimi aye adwuma no. Enti omo nkoto abapa said the be ya. Anase adwuma no ye na so be ban faso dia ma my Ghana. Because anase adwuma oye yi nipa famu awu. Lawyer so kai. Ahmed Kennedy Japan community so aja ne hoto ni se boajo o man boajo okọ. Enti this is the time where was say yenuan momoni di football na chi no ombe ya de be ma Ghana kuma yeden atoni yem because me obi a football manage ho de but makuma ni akiri sa that is it because the time bia ya mabambu ni sa omo be ko tournament na tisika omo se omo page no eno nti ya na etoda the national team no kra na me passion am the support no from kakra so abane de omo nkoto but me de me Randy I am a friend and Georgia free and so one time no share me na me nim no but they will see my reception near the no I think say he's also a nice person the omo de ne beba bia de ne be adwuma
okay well
na ai tike say ai papa ya o say yabane abai ai minister of sports o kroma
ne wahi
yabane aba ona mo call Egypt o say ha na ni bie sha say ye ba nje ba gi en okay unim minister ya friend yabane abai azikasiama
minim say you know say na okay minim there be o minim
what if Egypt na bai
oh I see
yabane aba wo Ghana fo twa jajo no wo say yabane aba mo ba gimani
oh
sir tike wante bisa producers on betumi abo akere
oh okay Mentida.
Me kwa na ye me ton.
I see. Well, answer na beto aso no me first opportunity na me the late honorable lawyer Yawa Henkra Frifa Abusua Yako. Honestly papa na otiase na minim ne kakra fine. Na nye na ikura nka minim da sesa wa film. Enti no me Abusua Yako. Yawa Henkra Frifa. Once upon a time no ye DC awa juso. I'm so mampani Kufuor pen so hono and I knew him then. Enti abusua nyina mamo Yako honorable lawyer Yaw Ahenkra Afrifo dimfisia edio watwe. Eric
tike
PDS MC story no aba ha na mabedu and baby abedu ne say aban say a trade deal no mo ni ntia oso atwam de aban a kire ni position yet kutahudi na ekoso between MCC and Ghana aban entem kokobo a MCC e de boy say ya ma PDS deal no ant na hwa sika bia aka wo so mo de man no mo se omomfa emayen aban position ne say to the extent say PDS and to me amfa ne si achi ba ho eni asem aba ebeba no wantimi amfa ama no na yeso wo de ye adwuma no na ye hwehwe mu hwe se de wo de baaye no ho kroje ana ya hwehwe mu ahunu sa de nya kroje na de mu susu se contract no kra no eni nyina so bia en decided te de a ene na etwam
okay
America ban e kan say na say America no adwumaku no kan say nka be ya sadi etie bia no mo hwese mbetimi a hyehyehye minim kwa no mpeso mo ye ne bat mo hwese mbetimi adi hu nkuta ho na nka mo ma na tra ho but aban se watwam watwam na asche ne se ne sadi ayesen akọ ECG na ko ECG na omo ankasa hyehyɛ bia wo so mo ye no de toto mo so mo de road map no so ebeba ebi no se de aban ye enye ebi no se aban agina na aso atu anamo asese otu Meminti wadwenche fasa asem hu ne bia ba betu
me da say but them say anopa me follow no me say all kind story be a statement yeah mama slow na o di bank say asem na o kan no wan kan say
so refute say
okay me am voice in be on my phone so but also wan kan yate but you see
but voice now here no so
yes la
also cancer
you see and or you be a ni sunu ne ban
the ban opa ye nwie we say because
quick you know say oye oba
you know what na malia na say be follow onye we nti no me pese let's e be ye can we are sometime e betumi but I only read the statement and even as say statement never say the office of the micro bisa say ono anasa the office no but me pesa me dey be me issue for now binum so waka also on kind I'm not interested in
you see me interested in say politics
at this time I can PDS dey me interest with PDS
because one say hot to assembly ko kan ya ofa ho to ayampia no
until yemra me PDS no so because enu hia me pa
tike me da say PDS na baby adri na se kasa na dane kakra o tike kasa na nyina akoye se uti nuanom so no fo ya momye mama mpani aba so waya ade we take bold decision eno so ba mu da ban tike ade ni free baby na ade ya bedru sei because of adwuma bone amaye esunsun sanso ana so aba na aso na ya ti adi na Ghana fo nyina beka ya ye papa kofo betena konwa so na sa agreement o my Ghana ya de ho kohye tike nyesa na okono na waye na afamu di ankasa time wo kope sika ne ba ya that company Millennium Challenge Corporation ayi na oye N1 kwan wanwie ni nyina na ye papa Melson so beto aso na de ye me fe ne se ono kofo nyuma pa na o hyehye to wo beto aso no mre ne so se okopa ho ntoma no ofre ne nua no ne koy na opa ho ntoma fefefe entina ye ne America for ne ntemu no say you qualify for first one, you are executing here no. Your opportunity say your second trench na the debekum no and your case concession of the energy sector. Nti ye tie konwa so 2014 and I papa se tepe na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mu nyina akọ ho and ye ne omo ye nhyehyɛ se ye beto aso na tike ye tie konwa so no ye start process ni kokodu baby na baby ekodu ye ne se ye mariasi nyina atiase se wo ye interested a ye local content ne de 20% ebema omo ankra omo ye adwuma organ omo interest e we energy sector ni ye de emu 80% na so akwa adwaman so akwa akoton wa obeba mu no ne ye ne wa ye adwuma na ye de mawa ye be lease the amount 25 years what I say na ye kono na companies mako nsia e na show interest e wo 80% na ne ye kanu na nado dan kwakufu ado betena konwa no so na o ka kire Ghana for say ono de oye ne 5149 51 ne be local content che say o my Ghana for no ya ye wo interest no obema 51% na ye nuanom e wo adwaman so a omo so eye omo wo interest no omo 49% enti ye ba ne sa no 6 companies ani ya shortlisted and aye penso no emu mako enan e redraw na de omobota omode redraw ye ne se NDC aban ne omodi nkita ho no sei ni na omode koye e na ban for Francis Sanyaba no no so sei na meko no dike se watimase pa nti omo redraw ye ka to miracle ne the other company no the other company no so ye turning it down later no ye say no one electricity company of Ghana di juma pen nti time no disclosing the particulars na kire mi dane mpanimfo ekeka ho no na wo so omo mu so my Ghana kra no electricity company of Ghana me ne omo dinsa wo so sei ne kokosi ye nti no so amfanse minim so no so no wanye truthful in a way and ekoka miracle ene miracle di juma nti na miracle no be make sure say the local content aspect no obe facilitate ye hu say ombenya nkofo ama omo nyina ka bom ne di juma di na yeden ahye omo nsa nti omo ye ne fefefe na omo de ma omo na tika won say omo start process no NDC as opposition party na your point ye ba kope say ade na omo de ma local content no wo hwe the caliber of people no omo wom na omo need the capacity to operate our energy sector omo financial muscles no form so the government ought to be very very careful because on my Ghana Japadi a sombo pana minia ye de kwa kwhye nkofo nsai omusi o da bi so MPP for the wa woni wo dada baby oti na untimi nka kasa ene kasa ya yenya civil society organizations ebe kasa yes de bia no mu ka bi minia pani ginapo de baby o bia misalutu no energy sector no wasua de omo afutu sa nkofo ya mfa ene ko hu companies a na ye de omo form local content no minia local content first company near from TG Energy Solutions Ghana Limited. Ya mo 28%. Na ya kokohwe nipaku ni nipa ban a omo company nim no. Ene ya start ye na ne raise consensus say ade na amoye no mo meye ne abusua nkyeni o. Mo meye ne namfosem. Mo meye ne say makontani ye de hye ne nsa adaache ya na ebedi. Mo mfa mankofo omo credibility wo market no mu a omaye bida. Because tika adwuma bi a wo ye no competence is key anameboa. And the TG Energy ya de omo company no omo incorporate in 24th June 2015. And some of us near search omo say benya a lot of near kan for mo working experience near dia TK okwa unhwe nti wona na menu apani gina poka se enkofo ya ye kwotebri omo de omo abai mo me hwe omo track record ni ye pa because say UTV adwuma kase ye tiwe TK oni nimdie bia won sentwe adwuma ni yakota mo abetena se be host morning show. Automatically you flop. At the end of the day, management they take that radical decision. No? They have to be blamed. Because nipa neba no di kan fa ho mamu examine who say whether competent or not. They were able to do all these things. Now call sa TG Energy. Ye papa Joseph Eje Benin. And now me no okasai. Or a deputy protocol in charge of office of the president. And the family and friends na ye hu na shase ane ye kase. Monhwe ni yo no. Papa da so ye adwuma ho. The second person whom Andrew Japa Mesa or ye MP was second D and I'm no case or sign a board member of Ghana Gas or also no TG Energy. Now call your Papa Philip Ayensu or also a board member of National Communications Authority. And the next person so fire Coco Oko Trade Fair Board honestly a board member. So we saw all these things. And ye catch them was yene amanyo for yene mwane tikruma yene ya hondada. Na bena ekuye ya wabo mu ni kwati company a omo ye credit word say you betime tebri Ghana Japade ente say dia hye omonsa eti mo hwehwe mu yie.
I thought so say our company no mote in 2015.
Oh yes.
Yes sir.
I want in 2015.
So that company no exist and sana.
Good.
Okay.
And ye kire say
anya MPP ba ban mu ansa.
Oh David and your mote to ho.
Ti no mo
company no ho.
All right.
But the persona in the company no na me church and aban ba e di bi obi awowom. Chronism, family and friends, the potistic approach, me link him up. And to rank for ya, Umina by Mobia opposition. And your common shares 28%. The next company,
why the mom shares 28?
Oh, sir, local content, no, Omunia with 28%.
It means a why the mom shares.
I buy the mamo.
I buy the shares no more.
Not TK and why I buy Ghana for in an emu, and I enter into this concession agreement. Say, ya why me. Ana meboa aban nyuma ko yisi gine hwan midafo no nyina aban kofo ne guo they are all working e wo Ghana for ye din.
Enti no 28% na it was in na wo de ben mu e de company mu na sa 28%.
And TG Energy de na mekan and na mabobo the type of people omwom need to be omwo wa aban mu what you say.
But question me be say 28% no of shares no in what entity una TG Energy no mo no
one say omoye no 41 I can say 5149 until the 51 na the local content no and the TG no man mu 28%.
Because I'm say unya antimas for purpose of education no of company ben shares hold shares ben company ben shares na man TG Energy for 28%,
like the PDS consortium. Say under PDS consortium no na ye listed companies are wom and the companies no bia ne shares wom enti de me boboy no me bought TG no me bo ne shares na me ko Santa Baron and no so me bo ne shares say when de me chiro
still a unya fancy baby am person this no
and e wo first
e wo PDS no mu and e mu 28%. It's a question
no no person what
say na wo say and na hia because I was say we practice as na say
PDS no na nye nipa ni nyina na tiase obi nim say PDS ne ya brofo bi o enti me dey ya na me mpa omudin krabo me kire nkofuku awu mu as PDS na den aba because just a consortium and omu nyina kan bom na omu ye adwuma enti sa nkofo omu no na me ye den me kire omu ni pasu ni omu ni paban sa watem ase good me that say and I call the second company Santa Baron on so omu incorporate no 26 June 2018 utie me pa 26 June 2018 and so mpanimfo awu mu na omu ye nipa tu kwabna edu na edutwim tike wonim say amanyo sem ne ye tikruma yenim ye hodada they are campaigns of the ruling party they are financiers of the ruling party and the issues never ya na menu apeni gina pomo raise concerns no now they have a lot in mind because energy sector ne baby a ho a 3 year pa so sika ni unsem ne ye de show unsem obeye ne basa and tike de na areho mu say once me catch us Santa incorporation na 26 June 2018. Over the next company so GTS Power no so ye mo bi na the same day and omo incorporate here. And think of no ko team so mo che omo mutu. Say mo nko register we. Na we mu so the same day and omo ko register that same companies na. And omo so omo de omo present.
But most definitely for purpose of business no.
Yeah.
Nipa be ye arrangements we ebe koso
meti wase eno na me person
no itself no ma eno nye bone bia
so ye mranim
so
lawyer no ye me person me kire ne say trimupo intent na omunya ya nso mo form companies no na wo dada
which intent
omu wo trimupo say concession na say ye dey ba local content no that for 51% no e wo say kodi ya ye namfofo ye busuamfo ye party for nsem na intent e wo for the party in power enu ntina ye hu ni earlier ni ye kasa se bebi a mode o manager pade no kono enwo se ye de gro medamase na tike won se ade ba kon ha me pa ne se oni o mo kasa na ai ena mida tike wo de o ye lawyer me menye lawyer that Millennium Development Authority no se ye wo act e back no is it act 702 so na amended something you see o call me that border excuse me enkofo no mugu board no so no obi anya adwuma wo UTV o ana meboa obi ani despite media me wo copy of omudin na wo hai okomida board na ya de kan asem se na media na ye se media na anye na djuma ye ni ade na honorable Kenoforiata
de small wo kan nyina no o kan bia ba besi ba bia ya dua na because
yes hona me de ko
ya di sa nkomo ye
onim de ntia me ya creating an impression say mampani ya ade because we terminating any yes wo nye hu he is the cause of this havoc baby adru no any option enti de ye ne say momye mo na ba so and we terminate and omunya kakra me kire me ma the premises of where we started from any baby odi yakodru ohun sa nkran ni nyonnyom no menim to so tenkran
maintain
ye kan wontie wonim to da bi na obehu na ho no kakra bi show menim to
also say to na so na ko fa ba
enti na ko next stanza na o si jayo na se wa nya ya afi no bi ajai ye jai hwewo.
Okay, so let's come to the Yemra
way. The Betuna manager na atono at the tail end of it. And the American Okomida border, ye were Papa Kenoforiata. Ye were Honorable Charles Adubois, Deputy Minister of Finance. Ye were Honorable Alan Kwajo Trade Minister or part of Mida Board. Honorable Robert Ahonkalipsi, Deputy Minister Alan Chemantin Ministry. And Honorable Ibrahim Mohammed Awa, Minister for Business Development. Ye were Mr. Eliza Osafo Eji, Minister for Business Development, alternative minister, and and your Mami Cynthia Morrison, gender minister, Womubi, and your attorney general, Gloria Kufu, Onosu Womubi, and your Mr. Martin, his son Benjamin, chief executive officer, MIDA. And you see, government, you appointed all these people to MIDA to work on behalf of Ghana for Anamebwa. Because the president is the appointer, and yet TK Juma won't me appoint his uncle for no. And now, uncle for your appointee, or Munina Shemche. Aye. Emma Sani may in SCC. Na dear Janessa Opefa, a bank corner sign power, Interior Ministry. So Monko could for non concord that Monconcord young investigations about a near manabano. Tike report on a copy ni. O can report na. A damning. Because to the extent to say, I could for it to make a woman say, Adentina. Ye de krata na ba be share mo so ye true midaf one ye de bre mo say ye ne ya mo da insurance guarantee no mo antimi anye any due diligence mo anye follow up and verify from us sa de ne ye ne de amom krata ECG kire de koma akut for na reply ba first one akut for say mo na reply second one omo na reply ni nyina so mutimi tena ho hwenhwe han sa ne ma montimi anye Electricity Company of Ghana chief executive no da no Kelly hwan you know kenofori atara nya ni chocho muncho ono ne na di agro enterprise group ayi adwuma aban baaye ene atem state institution bi so onsan koda no so o hwe nkofo na
qualify so ho na on qualify
oh nya na meka qualified or qualify no wo ho ene o mati team say ye be di o man nya
so the fact is
baby ye dura me ba tiki baby ye dura yes MCC statement o mo de ba say aban no be mo kwanya so mbe ye adwuma ana say aban no take position say he can't work with the PDS sika $190 million no one farmer no yeah ne o de ba Ghana cedi mu a equivalent to 1 billion Ghana cedis o de ko kaniti Ghana cedis no mu a 10 trillion ya MPP abama ya hwere no enke antwere say sika no baby a me do free ba no what am say because you knew the circumstances surrounding the deal and you force so hu nyina de ye so ene de abasobo na mampani hia biem mampani no one or supervisor of corruption on one supervisor you because on the power media board and media board na ntimi anya due diligence tike mamemo example na no ada PPA scandal ne ba he no PPA nim se omugina ho ma aban se aban contract ahodo a odema no dodo na afa ho se de be omo be pense mu agina aban na mu hu se companies na ye di dwumadie ni mu omo no omo ye credit toward you mbetimi aye adwuma no omo track record ye ana meboa dwumadie kro bia na e wose midai aban panifo amebo omo din nyina enti the whole finance minister odo nsa ko share agreement na se we are part of the media board energy minister ye kwa nyina ye kraw ye no ne koba you are part of the media board montimi anya de bia ma oman Ghana could do this level was my terminate agreement no ama Ghana over 10 trillion old Ghana cedis was a man tonyo mfro tike odi ti asem we say obi wedded wife
o ma plus bia
plus from where
yes the course we are working notwithstanding no maybe so question the course we notwithstanding no akodu point bia aban anka say yehu bibi enye kura still I be koyenim ye nya de no biem is it enye turn around
tiki o kan nyam na me di kan to kire no jayo na se wanya ya afi no obi ajai ye jaye hwewo ye hwe de beto se be mu ajaya de beto na ato wi ena ema wajai nti time one ye ma wafuto say hoetre no bia wamfa so do you need credit from Ghanaians they even ought to render unqualified apology to Ghanaians so omo embarrass your man international embarrassment right offer insight krata ya honorable eni onye former MP oboase wo say embarrassment e ohun bi da na MPP mpanimfo bebre akoma korete wa onua Kennedy Japan o say krono ketasehye ne proyepa na nkofo na ya no he said it so what we are telling them they say tike wako obi dem obi wedded wife one ne dampem wa bodeja ni kunu be pie so se bonse ma me ma anya ne hwe okoye den won obi matrimonial room ye hye ne ma ne to ho ma to aso fa ne papa mu kono because of intent a once and over no and na dey o man na kodum pempenso ya dui so what are they talking about and Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces, he's the appointor and he's the supervisor for all this corrupt attitude now. Practices in another nimubi because Osha time where I say ye guarantee yes sana insurance guarantee no in the said meeting no document member Vice President not Tihobi they all contributors on Monfanko insurance guarantee and he said common acute at the crat haba ni entimi due diligence tike de oyemranimni then at the end of the day you're also mining to this embarrassing a year you want us to praise the president mamemfa as in bitrancho tike okasi e betina konwa so no Ameri okay pa MPP for a lot of allegations in opposition say your papa kwabena don ko ne yenu agina pomo by then omo inflate cost no by $150 million so okay mobile ben mu pe na mo pa anyansafo dunson led by Philip Addison Jesus Christ na mo ko kata say mo ko hwehwem na sika na NDC for ye di no mo ko aba na mo be prosecute ye Ghana for ye sika charter flight ma mo ko ye ko han first class hotel ma mo da mo didi nom ye mo je pedin ye mo ba ya mo anya report bi ama enti common $150 million tie me pa eno de omutimi ma nipa 17 entourage obi ekita suitcase omo kwaji documents aba na akut ahaya kata haya nso mo antimi amfa mobile phone po amfre campaign na verify say krata na aba na efiri maso e ya na ana mo antimi ama Philip Addison ne anyansafo du nso na nkokon so say adikofo no krata na aba no e no kra na you couldn't do all these things. Then at the end of the day
there's BBN who are this responsibility no to Philip Addison so I want the standing entity.
Ma mention what they.
Unim say finance ministry. Needless.
Unim say.
In this case.
So finance minister John Mudipa.
I'm just saying. What I mean is that in this particular case.
Case we no munim. But do so. The 17 wise men.
Let's.
The 17 wise men we among ka hon there. Banka adwene ba. Ye papa Kenoforia tetim say. Monkwa Ameri. Enko hwehwe mu no. The same adwene no say wo ho. And I won't do so no crown. I'm about then what transfer supervise over all this fraud? Then at the end of the day, the embarrassment about you are telling Ghanaians say Mampenia yade. Then I'm Mampenia.
Eric, I said about to us, no main fan to you as MPP near Metesa or Bano, ABC Sabri, Onyamae. Minim say, Quano Uniman answer, say, dear the mamma Hania Benasco, Ampon, answer. And you know. Onyama no program no so de ye beto aso ti ye ne Eric J Deputy Bruno Regional Communications Officer na ye didi nkomo wa ha sei se Benasco no oba bia eduru bia no be dibie nti no oba na aka 5 minutes ai be pon ya pon nti ye no ano no Eric ye nto ye nkomo so
enye ne fort
also there
we mu nyede
but cho wunim sa
ebi kura this week mako program omo communicate say oni madwuma
bia ensuo na esi ne kwan
say oni madwuma
bia na esi ne kwan Eric me invite to say be kasa asem no me say
oni madwuma din okruma
so yan we say now Minister for Information or say
madwuma din parents will defend them
we don't need PDS asem ono ya tudwa now baby ya dui who fi say na o say
I must say they don't need PDS.
Yes. Yes. Obi send me and I'll read with caution anyway. Okay. Or say about office may be a free most of the but also minimum 7 guys a PDS officer says ECG officer. Okay, ECG stroke PDS office. Officer Bob says rejecting checks for paying electricity bill just because it's written in the name of PDS, although they claim the change happened just yesterday. The question we ask was, can't they accept the money and internally rectify it, since it will definitely take time to rectify all these? Meanwhile, okay, also if you pay cash with PDS bill, they accept it. Okay. And you know, I'm saying no. So honey baby see Eric. Maybe baby do say. Who said then I was here. Because at the end of the day, no. Sabine na akoyem from so same from so whatever the CBS DNA was say yeah. Emma no nko fa there nsunsun so no ebe ha yan p because any hear me more.
Oh, emramu no. Agreement bi abekomu no your termination clause society wo. Na omo nene PDS akwa agreement because me ebia okase Eric J dey so na imagine terminate na me kase ebia me imagine rescission of contract because me who say there were some misrepresented elements and a fraud that yibi mu and na me imagine so ebia a breach of contract ebia a prowl like they have to wait on this very matter. On say na on the 18th na letter na buy and the next day all reportage by in and say terminating PDS deal. So okay.
Well, those were the reports.
Yes. And to me print official statement no. And I mean who baby I address a letter to PDS. Say any one age maybe. Until later, and a deputy minister and about say a letter of intent. What am I say? Meaning that they have intention to just abrogate the contracts now or money PDS for no one. And then you penny kojo upon chroma, a friend and trophy in shemu. The 12 when him say a binding from with the mini PDS any age may be. But PDS are starting operation for some time now, almost 5 months. And he said, Bunny say, and yet they obey in a chest of what could do. Oh, I could drink you too for shall say no tea. And I'm a boy. And this is a time you sit with them. Because I know say your management of PDS or Hanameboa. If indeed Eniema no termination na ekoso a. Eniema be na wo se digu akwan mu anse hande ejapade ni nyina ama ECG back se mo hwe akire. Because you see am no ka se PDS for ntoma kro mu twae. Asa academy so mo de be di bro nya de anim. Wahu. Omo kasa ECG kasa omo penti na TK. Unim de ha me pa. TK o de hwemanim. Unim se nkofo e bai PDS foi. Me who ka papa bi omode abo ECG de da ke ni TT no
but say so mo take over yes so mo take over the assets
me say good
and omo buy no so no omo buy brebe na
omo buy 5 months money away
so most definitely say o ka say car kra na okokra utie
asema me
Eric unim asema me ka no unim de me ka no pa say car kra na okokra procurement protocols also observe no enye
5 months
bosume ya pe na be
5 months
oh yes I mean it's possible it is possible
when say some of the offices in Puno
but Eric me pe say you can be wa say na mama for etiase
okay
we honorable furata ne letter or try and statement or yeah
they also fan restructure shareholders
no in respect of the government decision no the buy ya a trigger nkomo yin over the weekend no portion am pesa mekan or say dissatisfied with the purported confirmation by Al-Quds, ECG on 24th June 2019 through MIDA requested for relevant documents proving due authorization by Al-Quds to the alleged signatory to the demand guarantees, Yahya Al-Nouri. However, on the 24th of June 2019, ECG received a letter dated 16th June, 16th June, from Al-Quds in which it made, among others, the following assertions.
Okay.
1. Al-Quds is not authorized by its constitutional documents to underwrite counterparty and trade risk. It means Al-Quds no kra no sa de ye pay free omo ho no omo enka omo adwuma ho nche omo nhye the guarantees purportedly issued in respect of the transaction is not an approved product line. That is said
omo ni hu dwuma
kra enka omo adwuma die ho te say bia SIC omo wo adwuma omo ye
omo wo say
product
insurance.
The demand guarantees were not executed by authorized signatories of Al-Quds. The letter dated 13th March 2019, forwarded by MIDA to ECG, purporting to confirm the issuance of the demand guarantees was part of the misrepresentation in respect of the purported issuance of demand guarantees to secure the transfer of the assets of ECG to PDS, as the signature on the letter was forged. Al-Quds denied the existence of the guarantees. Al-Quds refused to accept any present or future legal obligations in connection with the purported guarantees.
Thank you.
You see, so we share Al-Quds to for us. Let's just say dealing no crana sa Al-Quds no crana ekano. And komo crana nsese komo bem.
I have a report here, a report of government, a delegation on visit to Qatar, our investigation into purported insurance of demand guarantee by Al-Quds Company Limited in favor of PDS Limited. Now, by page 3 of the document, or say. And I read, or say the Millennium Development Authority, MIDA, did not at any point in time get in touch with Al-Quds, nor made any inquiry of that company in respect of the purported demand guarantee. Oko point 13 on bulletin, point 13 or say, Al-Quds indicated that it was not possible for the demand guarantee in issue to have been issued by a company for the following reasons. Reason number 1 was the guarantee had a value of about $350 million. Al-Quds does not have the capacity to engage in such transaction. No, say the company's net worth was about $170 million. And you see in the same report, Interior Minister no conduct your debate. When say we blame Mida. Oh, baby, I'm starting kind free. Mida no so can ofuriata ka ho. Enti e nekra attack no ofuriata dey by. Other than one blame Mida who say Mida ya ka ho bi and ya cause of this mess. So we two portion of him. Are you getting my debate? Good. The second point of it, or say, the company is authorized to issue demand guarantees. It does not have the mandate to engage in counterparty. The same way you know quote to you. So you quoted the report from the Interior Ministry where a CUT say I could for not deny PDS. But you forget it, say. Ube quote in the same reporter. Na blame mu say mo na mo anya mo djuma yie. Mo anya due diligence. Mo conducted thorough investigations. So omo cause financial loss to the state. Ya waste your time e was anya my ho. Your resources so ya waste. Why? Wow, me say finance minister. TK, ma menka bono kasa pa. So onim nyama anka wasi form. Onim nyam because adie we ya ba waboboa no na ni nyina fa be sine. So this statement no or the ba be convince Ghana for na so be confuse here. This is a copy of the report. TK baby omodi o man na kodru no ho. I think he said the enke be paper. There be there fe. Yeah omuntimi nye. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry say tax in ho no communication service tax in count. You just call Kwadwo upon Kroma. He's always found
beyond the sorry no.
Beyond the sorry no.
Because bibinti
the America said they should render unqualified apology.
What can we read?
I have justification for that.
I know. So what can what church the Muambe is Sabri and the me person be can say. Ya can sorry. O kai see Susano.
Yeah.
O say kafra nkru. Say ya etie bibinti ene ye pair say ye ne ye. Ye kan ya ma electricity na muntumi hwe na ne kan ye nyina so ne ade ne hwanwan say ye koye ya koye say sen ba ECG kuro ye bi then I was say ye ne say na maybe say what do you want? What do we have to do beyond just an apology?
Second thought obekaya the first day now mo the letter of intent ne ba ya na ye kan wasem what they said ne say MCC ne mo akwan no mon go through restrictive tendering process na
among restructure concession
na dey kwan and I dey ka say restrictive dey ba dey na ayeka na open crate just restrictive
say no na twam because no nya
and I say good no na nya adwuma but for now aban no enkonkwo tenase because NDC for you two for mfa and TK ade ba ko a e was a politicians there be a sua lesson they say TK obi betena aban mu mfie nwotwe na no ada no ko emebo na waba nti atena ye na ya pa onipa foforo a wo kɔ no ye ka brofo bi say you are learning on the job meboa nti dwumadie na edi ahye won sa no de wa ye ne mfie nwotwe ne mfie na wo kɔ no wanya much more experience about that sector nti sa de ekɔ so no wo ka bia etoda na watie no and ye were expecting energy in the country
adie ba o kama mu nyina mo ho
yes adie ba yes
me say mo kama mu nyina
yes I advise afutuo de obi antre afutuo yes the several report ba say the energy ministry should be very careful with this PDS matter. Omubogui. And well, I keep telling them, say, TK, amamwo ya na enye kasa sa wo. Yes, you have grown form. Ana meboa. Say the ade ne hye won sa. Wo nim de ne sen. Na sa amanfo tufu na wantia. Baby o twa sa no ko nim sa chia. For now, a futu e de be ma MPP aban ne say Ghana for ye nya interested say be ko dum so mo bi. Because yenim say dum so ba ye no yenim challenges e de bro man yete akonwa so ye papa John Dramani Mahama ka say in 2016 and this afin ko na wie no dum so be 10 of the past okọ Ghana weba Dr. Mamudu Bahumia e be kan say Mahama deserve no credit for ending dum so. Indeed we ended dum so omo an ba be kan kire na anu ada omo the supplementary budget equal TK omo say oh NDC PPA no mo agreement e kan say private you know musin san dodo enti ene ye SS so okay enti o say terminate bi mu ne ye bi mu sei na me ne o ka say anyina manhoden bo ye to mu boso me mai TK me boa boso me mai enti sa ade we no mo manage ni yi a ebetimi drag ya ko back enye patapa o baby edru no aban ntimi yes wo ye patapa because aban na aka sampani for na ye PDS no they are the consortium itself. And Tinya Fena say, oh, Bess, but take bold decision against them. No, what take it against your own members? Because I only want to form a kaba and yacho. Into a montrase, they should restructure it again. Now, Mogu anymore, embarrassment indeed. Or my Ghana, Or my Ghana, baby, a dream. International recognition, I war. Near Timiko into this agreement. TK. Nekwadane Boachi BD and Tissa. TK, is it fair? When him some penny and I rush a crowd quick. Until GD said, Putin, who no busos until we have the men, I'm gonna want me done. I'm penny bit me answer. He can't. Because look at what the men did.
Men be anyhow.
Let's say we have the men. Also, we have the men. Now, what the MPP or more regional national conference or Cape Coast. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia now economic management team, no a comparison. Or boy, we are no a boy in this year. And this team no one alcohol we are by. More cause nation into chaos. This fraudulent acts, I don't think was here so. And Mguase more man. Nana don't so no. We are the biggest corruption scandal here to my Ghana. Tiki we are aware. Oh, earlier me kind.
Why would you say corruption?
Corruption.
The entire America say most press briefing no more.
Yes. The entire America say you get as share prayer ni say. And pennyfo na. Ehwe ma ye di dwumadi no kwhye nkofo bi nso o ma failure man no by now. No money mo ho aden. Nti o money o they all conspire together
to ubi share kata asiana.
Me da for ne PDS team no mo tete team A ni B ne kosisi ni na. Conspiracy to commit say you know mo achieve.
And me say omo share ya na.
Omo share.
So o kasa kata asia.
PDS abetra PDS ameba.
Sika bi ana bi besesa.
PDS abetra so 5 months. Yeah the Ghana ECG ma omo work campaign. Sankofo no mo niska. Enti ye sika na omo jeje ne lad bill no. And one and all fast crowd to insurance guarantee. Now, enye ketasishene pray. In the said agreement, no, that subsequent year na the Bermuno. Now we must assess no money no. So FCI, FIT said Financial Intelligence Center for no. And two persons just international transaction be a cost. See a table sika with the way koha. Where are they? Those institutions, where are they? TK.
Abanso obey probe. What you say to it? Obey probe. Sab time PDS for the adwuma no sa period no on be probe
aban na nado aban de me de meni aban ni
nti aban be na me probe
na me say na nado the report
aban be na me probe
oh na say probe report ba mampini no be clearance and report na ba bonten
nti when na yes
he's entitled to clearing everybody when na yes corruption related matter
when na yes probe no
and I say whether or not some be probe no they should probe themselves they are the cause of it whom are you going to probe you form the cabal. We spoke a lot about it. One fear, any idea constitution, so and then no, but now so many about meeting chain, no one was so one a guaman for so. And I can offer the first person involved in this because he appended his signature to the deal. At the end of the day, the statement no quote, you know. Interior Ministry report, no sign blame can offer in the middle board. Until they are all corporate involved.
Well, I've said this over and over again. Say, media the ye move for no. Komu bi ebedi bia no ye ebedi awie na ye kan na da so gina so. Ananye sa na reket. Na me so a eso. Na ye tua de o si tua de bema ye botum adwe enya de be hyehye yen. Enti no de aye ni na no dwada me kan asemi me say sabi o senkanya asem ne e kan baby o man ya boy braba bedui ne nema bebri ba ye wa ye de hyehye ye ho na ye ne ye wokoko timber gold bauxite manganese diamond ye ne ye man ye pa we are in the center of the world ye de ye weather ye climate ye ni man mu fo nso akọ school Africa bibia ye ne ya ye dikan Tientimi antoto ya niema sajesu bruni na debia ohese o wabo bra ye nti yemfa sika mra yen na se o diska no ba nso so ahon hyehyɛ be kwa akɔgi sika no so kwa akɔya asɛm de a ene na nwanwa te se bruni ayeka twi na de akɔhyɛ gatam yesa wo so ho nwanwa papa nti no me no
ada bruni ayeka enu bi ni PDS
o debi dem kan me say bruni ayeka na twi na so de wetimi atwi are so be kwa akɔhyɛ ana ma men kama asɛm
o de me ba obroni so o ma sika se papa we energy center ye de ma o de ahye gatam
ana me say
enu bia
na no me kan asɛm asan aka bi me say obroni ayeka ka ye nimi ye o de si ahyem ena o de break ahyem na ochire say ye mfa kwan
so na my careful
ndi say wotena na say wen hunu twi
yes
na de ko shegata mu a
PDS
nwanwa
PDS nwanwa
papa pesa me kan maka
se
bibi wa hu apesa o kan ho asema nka na me no mienu kwa na ye program
say message say Ghana adwuma den pa ne say o kasa ma MPP nti banasco enye nwanwa say wontumi
ba cho mi nim sa
message adwuma den no
na say na obi no ba ye
ye no mo na ko studio
Edward bi ba
ye say oni mo tate so mo ye
minim tactics
studio kra na so be dikin akasa no won pe oba na ogina bonten na nka wo aban mu usuro den talk
oh ya de ba
any omu na share we know that
omu nyina bonten ba there
and am say omu timiti test da bia no mo yele they should come early and deliberate on matters ya no ne
so onim ne ntia wa amma
oh tike me say adwuma na den apafo ni so tike wo hu
ye be sorry ansa na be sorry no bibi
bibi wo
ho say na me no nko anti
say we one and one with the
nka say nka kwotena
tike wanya ni ntem
mpu with the
tike na wo say
yes
Ghana man pani na nado dan kwa Kufuado me kai say
where dey no wafa obeka ho
say Twitter handle bi na mako print copy me pesa ade no pa
all right okay
we 6 December 2016
okay
and na okotwro assembly to na ade echi a yeto aba and I say I want to assure you that an Akufo-Addo led NPP government will stabilize the sinking cedi and bring back business confidence.
Yes.
Now, maybe so say, and the sinking cedi na, omo betena kunwa so first 3 months vice president eche cedi no lucky and this afọ akoma IGP Asante Pietu. Asante Pietu safo no maji ama mikrom ni opombo anu ana so de safo no kofie. Iwo tike baby a dollar no ni cedi no kono. Ba omi ani krom ha. Ene wona ma IT nsem ko an wo ka.
No say digitize o mine no.
Very important. Wo so nya na obeka kire Ghana fo. Sikasem ne de bia wona na wo ka ene wa your home science teacher. Ena wonam de bia IT. Dr. Mamudu Bawumiane Nanado, revisit your past. They should revisit their past. Businessmen are really suffering in their country. And the business confidence now okay. How many of the businesses and they were confident in the current economy? Banks are collapsing. Businessmen are not even getting monies to invest in their own businesses. So they should set up. You see, enough of the lip service. TK. And now, I know what I say. And Ubina, Obiko Kaya, Eslo Uswantia, I know what I am piano. Now, me
Esla was one be yano.
And I'm saying, what kind of voice? No, what do you want
producer? Voice.
What they are not so one.
And you know, for now, dear, I'll stick to the dinner. Until say mete
and penny
my class I don't know so what you say
one hour clear
I mean my clear because mete say yes what can be bisa
but when your voice
and my voice no be and mate so ba deny so for now I'll stick to the denial
you know what
until say mete be bisa no
you know what pains me
anytime me say
no I know say you don't want me to go there but what that's
because mete
adie ba ko a ehun hia pa ne say said you started with Brabono. Ade bia wo ya let consistency be part of you. So we are nipa odi no kra. And no ye nipa on kan okra from kuntumpo na kwa wie.
Two nipa.
David me na mentu no. Oni dey na so wonya. Ti said dey Esla kan ya dey chin ya what 10 you 10 so on kan hwe me ni problem. Hwe but dey me person oti ase ne say why your bad time. And she's fond of making that abusive comment. I have a lot.
Mr. J,
we make a lot of references.
Unim.
When krata ye kutani.
Benefit of doubt. Me say mente sa statement no. Mintie ye. Inti am unable to.
Say me yes no
anti no dey. Enyim fi
no krata bi wa ha. We ye Saturday 9th January 2016.
Eno so ko fa free himfa.
I say Ghana Web and am the free me printed copy.
I say Ghana Web.
Oh, TK. TK yeah
print I to say Ghana Web.
Okay, can be. What can we,
okay.
Can first two paragraph now.
Okay, Member of Parliament also has said if governance was all about borrowing and increasing taxes, then her 18-year-old son could run the country. Okay, Matia.
So what's it? Good. And you know, time ana meba. Ya papa ko for ya papa Mills Mahama administration. Ya Mills ko ya Mahama buy. Mahama tie konwa so. Bosia na obeje so de ye adwuma. Yesi borrowing the laziest approach. Meboa. Taxing the people near laziest approach. Even to the extent it's a manifesto. Omo title say from taxation to production based economy. Meboa. And now buy ye Yet is because we come there, minim the etesone. What tax Ghana for tax here to the extent to say, ne, men are not going to have no Wusuma in Kuoto credit 10 cities, Nanado are buying 70 pesos. Now, what Tigan and Yaya, yes, Nagana for complaining, then you come out as a minister of communication. Who issue threat a Idia
Maba?
Yes, oh, meba. Who issue threat a Idia?
Let me be so.
Say, yeah, flag bearer, and Yakasa. Or say, same people for habit and I got to be no. Party in the position, Beba. Yeah, dear, Numsa.
Okay.
And to take them person mechanism. Wamra now to Ghana for Yampia. Would man penny that time so about 18 years, bet me a boom. I insult because I borrowing. I buy way better than Kunya. So take it.
That statement was not in reference to Oman Penny.
Now, one another.
Just it's not explicit in it.
No.
Until Kasa then government.
I'll say team. I'll say second paragraph. I'll say.
Now, I have interest in this topic. And then some other.
What am I making second paragraph? I'm interested. I'll say if that is all about governance. My 18-year-old son.
Say you get taxes on Kwan.
I see we don't need John Mahama. If all governance is about one, increase taxes, go and borrow and build projects. So now why is on an worker? And now buy what to communication service tax in 50%. Also, you team fancy Ghana for you tell my young tell Kosune can't say for the sake of transparency, you tell more. Also, you make a ban on popular. Nana omunim so mobile unpopular. Mobile yeketase shene proye. I am social intervention. Every day fraud ba. And you are happy of it. You promise Ghanaians one district, one factory. Uko hu obi dia no wagina ho no commission. And I keep asking them say, factories no mo so mo biebie no. Nipa dodo sen ya for mo ho. O my Ghana sika sen ya dia bo mo. They should mention it. Yema Ghana for one village, one dam no. Tike dam na he e no maye. Meboa warehouse na he no mosi and there yam
are you suggesting so munye bi ana omunye bi
kra tike ni so omunye hu so say why factory
enti
e fa nipa du me disika say na shame na Ghana for atiase tike na me de man si form
ewo
me kokokua ni bi tese
mama nche unua ansa unua Kofi Amu Akohene say nkanye
Bono East
honorable osanso ye MP Atebu honorable good morning we chiche mu ntina na we free ne mpesu aso yes nka ho na wo se na nyina na e ba ko honorable good morning na nsemba be to brafo and me pa ba
o kwere
me kwere say na se me krom
but
nti me krom krom a
okay nti e
o se me kohwe ne ye koso wo ho. Yes. Said in Nehemiah, sorry free. Or hene you ho call the krum kohene yakoso or some me kohene yakoso.
Oba obenya yakwan
ya no we twa ja say brunfo de omodwo na ya twa ja ya no twa ja nsa no emwa yen yenso so sabi yenkru ne ya akese ntinka basempuntu pa o se nkoko so e wo ye ho chen ba bia enti no ye ntina ho masa ne ma no enkoso ebiem
tiki me fa me phone na me hu text message say
okay
obi a text me message from Sefiri also o se nti kokwa kuafo de na ban de yom
sa opese de na ban ye kana yan fa ntudwa manye comment ndi opese o kana yan kana
no o ma analysis ketu ma me na yan fancy tiki was
text
tiki was say
Eric wanya analysis
ketu tiki was say aban
Eric me hu analysis
tiki was say aban betina konwa so ye confie miensa am say kokwa kuafo asetena mu ntumpon nti on besere because so hwe ye papa Rollins Spence besi ye papa Mahama na kokwa kuafo asetena mu mpuntu wo soropa tiki time where did the values the same eba no o ka say na ye tokoko bag back 200,000 ye papa Rollins ansan woko no ye papa ko force by no beton 102 Ghana cedis ye papa Mills within the 4 years in power one train we no on also the 110 Ghana cedis and it also and a President John Dramani Mahama added 263 Ghana cedis it also within the 4 years into year kon near ton 475 kokoko any no testament was say na John Mahama ton 475 for we no ye man fertilizer ye dibi ye na akwan koko rose ye bani bonus bag bia 5 cedis and na ban we buy watena konwa so ye got 3 good years or the 40 Ghana pennetum 40 Ghana pay TMU.
Okay.
Obi 3 years with the 40 Ghana. Obi within the 4 years, no, the 263. Na nipa na sama okan ne say officer hwe also could do sampa. German of my constituency in 2016 no. Cement bag no turn 28 Ghana cedis and then turn 39 Ghana cedis. In 2016 and chance in Aluzin no turn 380 Ghana cedis. And then 450 Ghana say na fertilizer no so ya tell not for say na buying team kan ho ntia they should start reading na ehun say de ye not de ye nton na emfa kokoko kuafo no fertilizer se mo free no mo mfa nwu mo mfudie so because obeka ya enso do so
na o man no entu
eno na my quality
cocoa chocolate
when say in 2017 Ghana ya the cocoa Japan mo returning it back because of the quality enti e best na
for that's be good dwumadi no so me ka kire mo say dwumai de bia ne MPP ne NDC eto da na ba ko bi amba na NDC pe ne bae de ya nti o ma ama de no ne yenim
na se medical
enti no Eric no ni mo na no mo kɔ na kra na
o mo dwuma na den
o be ba mo kra no o mo ma so mo kra no enti ye de si ha sei anopa be hye dwuma na se na me kan say
technical university lectures no was
in fact not this weekend person next week nyame ya adoma and I complained say ya nhwe na ya nso sa asem na no a nkora no mo awie school no ya mo timi nya graduation ombe service awie no mo da so titi fee because mo ni certificate mo de be no mo nkro kwa pra adwuma na nkasa ho aye den eni nti no ye nhwe ne ye nka sa asem because be me say it will throw the academic calendar out of gear means how did my sofa be paying 1994 me co university and lectures across strike ten yes it's a mother of 4 strikes 9 months near that sutifie because of that in school was come 3 years we made the 4 years the way I do not hope says hard no e be basis
some course strike 3 weeks
ko ya o ma ama ntino yesremo adekura wo hormo me yanhwe na yenka o ma asem nyina ye tie samo se mo ye technical university dia ani o mo so mo nya o mo tisa dia mo yo
they are right
asamo pepe na yenye ne ntem so na ya che
o mo tie
3 weeks 3 me say o ton ka obi abase odje ka na kwa test nipa no unim no ba bia bo ka ho ban ena me ka say ebi ne se nipa kro no je ne license hwe yedi kan na so hu se nipa kro nim ka aka ebi so de ka ma obi a only license na se ne license no kra na enimu a odi konya asem a wo nipa na ode suma no wo so ho beba asem yedi kan no de to so mi no wo je ne license na se ne passport a Eric utie utwa to ho a nipa no kra na yembe hye no se akoyi a waje ma de yi ode koma police fu a enche na mo wa anye hwe waboa no
okesi ya ba
bam ode ko ye to so bi ensa nka wudi dwa idie tracker ahia na de bia hye if say sa tracker no bia beka se ne bo oden enso so ode car ne bo be se 50,000 be dwane akono ene tracker minim ne bo
se be do 2,000
em fa 2,000 be hye mu no na ode abo minim tracker no papa minim digital no papa say bia wo ya timi say utimi say wonye tracker
ono ati dey so fa
nro enti no we dey afutu na me dey mamo fi say to da ade bi wo nya CV na do nsa aguti enso so nka wo ye ne saa nka be boa mo ye businesses ho ban ho hia pa if so mo ba mo de saa ye no o ma no de oba de we wasi address ne checkbook set tie nie enso so account kapre je utie de kapre kura ndem
you know
ane obakro otimi ka che so wo de papers no kwa de mane ngo ho
sa
se be ya bo hu se obagina die nti o ma no ode se ohuri tina ka no mu apewoje a sa no de ko wasa ho bra bebra nsa no we hu no ana anya kwa mfa nko wasa de be ko efe
be fa sampa
we bra ode ko da obekọ no so ufise chances number obua chances number na no mutimi twifiri ho na ya bodade de afam ho ti bra be bransa no wahu ka no na otu engine free car no ma na oyi windscreen no free animu ho a na aye dai
obeba na rebranding abom PDS
sadet here enti mesremo mo mi yanhwe ni yesa na bo na ya na mo peskan tentem dodo enti no papa de se o sisire de bia ntesa eno an agye that's pass over
Madam Vida our Sunyane Technical University.
Okay.
On the HOD or marketing department also share a program.
Miss Mincha David Boacho, on so child there were all Susek or a chaplain or ho, and a mean cassa, Minmi or your sofu, and so a war ho, and your friend ya sorry. On so a soft Methodist soft, but was such audience. So, okay. Because school, where be a woman country or that, because school or Anglican,
St. Anselm,
Kakra, and son may call experimental. Experimental now, yes, experimental Kakra, and son of papa, education officer, original education. Timin Sunyane Pa, near Nanteco Airport, a plane, Sabrina, Ghana Airways, and Nantea near Kujina on Tiplane Bania Hessa near Huatoy, who took her near one near Siamba. Timmy Sunyani Namtiano. You forget you at Sanya Yaduma. Mecha, Mecha,
Nana am your uncle. Oh, I am your uncle.
Tia alcohol.
Oh, Nana am your uncle.
All right, those are we begin watching your Yaduma. Ever so, Nana, Eduma Samine, Miss Mitchell, Ochano, Adekodia, Odia, Eric in Tia. Wanna pay what chow no? Oh, Nana, Miss Mitchell. All right, I'll tell you, she will be